In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Shopify store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, pick a plan, and activate your subscription so your store is ready to go live. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. This is your central hub for everything related to your store. Make sure you're on the official site, then look for the login option at the top. Click that to move into your account sign-in flow. On the login page, enter the email address you use for your Shopify account. Take a second to double check spelling here. Using the wrong email is a common reason people can't access their store. When you're ready, choose continue with email. Shopify will then prompt you for your password. Type it in carefully, and if you use a password manager, this is a good moment to let it autofill to avoid typos. Click login to access your Shopify admin. Once you're in your admin dashboard, look for the prompt to select a plan. Publishing your store requires an active plan, so this is the key step that unlocks the ability to go live. Click the button to see your plan options. Next, select the plan that best fits your business. Think about your current stage. If you're just starting out, the basic tier usually covers essentials like checkout, orders, and basic reports. If you expect higher volume or need advanced features, consider a higher plan. You can also compare monthly versus annual billing here. Annual plans often offer savings, while monthly gives you flexibility. Choose the plan that aligns with your budget and timeline. After selecting your plan, choose your payment method. Shopify supports common options like credit or debit cards, and in some regions, additional methods may be available. Pick the method you prefer and proceed. Now enter your card details. Make sure your billing name and address match what your bank has on file to prevent declines. Take a moment to verify the card number, expiration date, and security code. Accuracy here helps avoid any interruptions to your subscription. Finally, click subscribe to confirm. Shopify will process the payment and activate your plan. You'll see a confirmation screen indicating your subscription is live. At this point, your store is ready to be published under your chosen plan, and you can continue setting up your storefront, products, and settings with confidence. That's it. Log in, select a plan, choose your payment method, enter your card, and subscribe. You've completed the essential steps to publish your Shopify store.